So if you're trying to post to TikTok and you don't have the option to add locations to your post, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix this. Now, as you can see here, I don't have the option to add locations currently enabled, so I'm going to show you how to fix this. The first thing that you could do is to actually go to the Play Store and search if there is any update to the TikTok application. If there is, I recommend you to update the application as soon as possible, because this sometimes can cause the update or the features to not be displayed on your devices. So update the application. That is the first step to take. Now the next step would be to actually, let me go into app information, would be to actually clear the cache and data for the TikTok application. So you could go ahead and go into app information, clear the cache. I'm going to clear the cache, clear the data, and update the application. And then let's see if that fixes the issue. Also, under permissions, you need to ensure that location is enabled. You could enable storage, microphone, contacts, camera, and even your calendar if you so please. Then, as I said, you need to go ahead and update. I'm going to update and get back to you. Updating the TikTok application. If you still can't add location to your posts, then that simply means that location or this feature is not available in your region or in wherever you're using TikTok from. So that is just something to note, and those two fixes generally fix the issue. So if you're still having issues with this, that just means that it is not available where you are. So thank you for watching. Harkich Pro 7 out.